can hear them now.
Oh, here they come. They come right over the, I guess you'd call it audience right, grandstand right.
Pace plane is saying the lineup is absolutely perfect. They should release them onto the course any second now. Be great if the wind pushes.
Go Jets, you have a race.
Well, now we know where Rick Vandam is. He's in the pace plane.
Oh, okay, there we go. All right.
Start looking for them. Coming over your from screen right to screen left. There you go. There they are. Mike Steer.
Head out to the signal marker out there. And
they all head for that big light on the mountain against that green background. It's pretty easy to see when you're in the air. And that's what we call the guide pylon. They go around that, and then they're on the course.
Which they have done. And Mike Steiger taking it down there. Race 5, American Spirit in the lead with Pete Zaccanino.
Right on him.
Holding his pole position there. Certainly not losing ground at this point.
Stacked up pretty well. So you're in 1, 2, and 3 are right there with each other. It's anybody's race.
Yeah, you'd be okay there.
Mike, Pete, and Pete. You're coming down the Valley of Speed. This will be the first. This will be lap 0. They should get a green flag coming around here. So right now it's still Mike Steger. Pete Zaccanino's right on him. And Pete Stavridis said, I'm going to back off that fight.
1, 2, 3 in their starting order, maintained as we
thought they would.
Lap number 1.
Steiger, Pete Zaccanino, and Stavridis in that order. Watch, yeah, see how Pete Zaccanino is high? He's trying to get around number 5, Mike Steger. And again, Pete Stavridis is just like, I'm going to stay down here, low and tight against the pylons, and watch what you guys do.
They're all L-39s, but they are by no means the same airplane, top to bottom. There are all sorts of little modifications, little attempts to get some distance from the rest of the field here. And
yeah, Zaccanino is at 29, L-29.
L-29?
Yeah, so you can tell the difference when you see it. It looks a little pudgy, but it's fast. He's got a fast plane. That's a blue bottom right there. Still gaining on him. Steiger, Zaccanino, and Stavridis. Here comes Scott Farnsworth, Vicky Benzing. And Lockheed Onslow just came by. You can see the leader right there, struggling to stay in first. It's almost easier to be in second at that point because you just got your eye set on it and you think you got it. This is lap 2 of 6. Plenty of time.
That's first and second. Here's third place, Pete Stavridis.
Still tight. I just think Zaccanino is just playing with him at this point. He's like tapping, like a little leg tap, going, I'm here.
Lap 3 as they approach the halfway point
of this race.
Yeah, boy, it goes by fast.
Especially these guys. It's still at 1, 2, 3, as we've been calling it all along, but it looks like Pete is starting to make his move on the backside of the course. The L-29 high and outside. I feel like Phil Rizzuto
going to do his best to hold him off.
There's not much you can do when he's got the speed on you. So you can see that Mike Steiger is going down low, trying to get as much as he can on the pylons, just stay as close in as he can, and see what Zaccanino can do. I have a feeling this is going to be the pass lap.
Try to pass him on the straightaway right here. Take a look at this. They head past the start-finish pylon. Not quite able to run him down, though.
It's getting close. Can't look away. Number 5, American Spirit. Number 24, Just Lucky. He always has been. Is this it?
Pete Zaccanino again has won a gold, but not in this plane. Won it in a de Havilland Vampire.
Yeah, 4th and 5th is a nice little race between Vicky and Scott Farnsworth,
yeah.
right? Let's take a look and see what Vicky's looking at. Watching our leaders on one side, Vicky Benzing looking out her left side.
White flag, white flag.
White flag at lap. It's still Mike Steiger and then Pete Zaccanino. Let's see if we can watch in Vicky Benzing's vision on the left. Let's see if we can watch her go by home pylon. She's coming up on it soon. Yep, this is still tight, but I really thought he'd had it by now.
When it's tight like this, you can always expect an extra sprint down the final stretch here. You can just count on it.
Yeah, he's going to try to use the altitude that he's gained over the race, drop down.
And here he goes.
Right here on the Valley of Speed. See if he's going to do it. This is the only time he's got left.
He's not there yet. No, he's not. I don't think he's going to make it if he's only...
Gosh, it's going to be close.
Going to get it done. It's going to have to be this final sprint.
This is going to be another one of those crazy close calls.
Start-finish pylon looming ahead. Final lap, checkered flag.
White checkered flag. And it is all Mike Steiger.
Race 5. American Spirit takes it.
Pete Zaccanino. Here comes Pete Stavridis. Let's see what we got for number 4. Looks like Scott Farnsworth is just ahead of Vicky Benzing. Here comes Scott. Right behind him is Vicky. And we watch her pass. Just watch her go past home pylon. That's a great shot. I love the onboard cameras. I love the sound from the pylons. This is all terrific this year.
Great new look, a different perspective certainly on the, in the Steel National Champion Air Races, and for the second day in a row, jet.
One of our favorite Australians. That's Lockie Onslow.
Aircraft is off the course.
Race is done.
Runway 26, wind 250 at 17.